there is a spicy letter in Arabic alphabet. Do you want to know more? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Saif here at a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the first lesson, we covered 4 letters in Arabic alphabet. Today, with 3 more letters that are slightly more difficult to pronounce but easy to recognize. No worries, I will explain in a simple way. Today's 3 letters, they all look alike, also same family. That's why it will be easy for you to memorize them. First letter today, and number 5 in Arabic alphabet, is letter Jeem. Jeem. It's similar to letter J in English. Let's see first how to write it. Start to draw a line on top and go like half circle downwards. Then put the dot just here in the hook. Jeem is easy to pronounce, same as letter J in the English word jam. Repeat after me. Jeem, Jeem, J. Now it's the time for the spicy letter. It is the second letter today, and number 6 in Arabic alphabet is letter Ha. Ha. First, let's see how to write it. Same as letter Jeem, but without dot in the hook. But how to pronounce this letter? This letter sound doesn't exist in English language. It's close to letter H sound, but less deep in your throat. So you don't say ha, ha. You should say ha, ha. Another easy way to practice how to say this letter. Same sound you make to cool your mouth after eating something spicy. When you eat something spicy, you will say ha. This is the same sound. Repeat after me. Ha, ha. Third letter today, and number 7 in Arabic alphabet, is letter Khaa. Khaa. Oh, little bit sounds tricky. Let's see first how to write it. Same as letter Jeem, but the dot on top of the letter shape. But how to pronounce letter Khaa? Again, this letter sound has no English counterpart, but it is the same sound some people make when they snore while sleeping. Some people, when they sleep, they make this sound. Did you hear this sound? This is Khaa, but don't sleep. Anyway, for both letters Ha and Khaa, it might take some time to know how to pronounce 100%. But don't worry, with more practicing, all will be easy. Repeat after me. Khaa, Khaa. Now let's practice how to say some words, but we'll mix letters between this lesson and the first one. Ba, Alif, Ha. Let's read this word. Ba, A, Ha. Ba, A, Ha. Bah, bah. Another word. Khaa, Alif, Ba. Let's read this word. Khaa, A, Ba. Khaa, A, Ba. Khab, Khab. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos for more. And there is the subscribe button. Perhaps you can see me every day. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.